What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So last night we did a small unboxing. The video came out pretty terrible because of the lighting, so we're gonna try it on the GoPro instead. That being said, we're gonna get you right into it. So what we're looking at today is the base package from SKAR Audio, featuring their EVL 12s, dual voice coil 4-ohm speakers, and their 2000 watt RP-2000.1D. So with the package you get the amp, you get the speakers in a tuned box, and a wiring kit for everything. So we already kind of checked these things out. This stuff looks super sick, guys. It's really good quality. Looks good. The box seems like it's real good build quality. We're gonna do a good review on it after I've had them for a few weeks, because I drive, the ship box all the time to work. So either way, they're gonna get their use, so it's gonna be awesome. So without further ado, if I can talk this morning, let me get some more coffee. I think that's what we need. A little more coffee. Okay, now as you can see, at least the lighting's really terrible in here. So we're just gonna try to have the light kind of to our back, and let's see, it's kind of dark, man. See, that's what sucks. All right, get this bad boy in the light, get her some. All right, so this is the amp. This thing probably weighs 15 pounds. 2000 watt RMS. Boom. If you didn't know who they are, SKAR Audio. A lot of people, surprisingly, have never heard of these guys. My friend James, he's an audiophile. He does he likes a lot of bump and stuff like that. So, oops. Alright, so it comes with all the necessary stuff. A couple of Allen wrenches, one for the big ground and power, a little one for the speakers, and the remote wire for the signal. A little bass gain knob, and a pretty long aux cable looking deal for that gain knob. Alright, so again, this thing probably weighs 15 pounds. It's got a very nice case, huge heat sinks on the side here, and it kind of shows you on the box exactly what's going on the inside of the box. So terrible freaking lighting. See, this is what I was dealing with last night, except there was no sun. You get your speaker, ground, remote, battery. On the other side you have your input, your bass remote, protect power, so it does have a surge protector kind of built in. You got your bass equalizer for, what do you want to call it? Anyways, you got low pass filter, subsonic, and we're gonna be going somewhere around 50 hertz here, because that's what we're looking for, the low bass. But that's the amp, right? So this wiring kit is right here. Bam. Actually a pretty nice wiring kit. Okay, let me get out the sun, man. Shit, now it's reflecting. I can't work here. 2000 watt power rating on this setup. They send you a, here, let me just look at the back. This is actually their own little kit. I don't know where they get the wires from, but they make their own kits for these. So what is kit? This is what you get. 17 feet. You can wire a damn bus with that. Power, 3-foot ground, 17-foot twisted RCA, and then we got 20-foot of 12-gauge speaker wire, which is cool. 20 feet. I can pretty much, well, yeah, you can really only do subs with that. 17 feet of remote turn-on wire. Well, that's cool. I don't really want to rip out the wire I got in there now. If it's got a lot bigger, remote wire, which it shouldn't, because it's like a 5-volt signal, then I guess we'll use this one. But my system's already pretty much wired. The only thing we're really going to change out at this point is maybe the RCA, but I want to do it as the least invasive as possible, for the actual, putting this new setup in there. The only thing I'm going to run is the power and the ground, because they're bigger cables, because it's a bigger amp, requires more power and, you know, more movement of electrons through these cables, a little bit less resistance than the bigger ones. Anyways, so that being said, we don't really want to take the radio and stuff out, so I already got signal, RCA and stuff to the old system, and we're going to do a little comparison of those two as well here later on, probably this weekend, maybe Saturday night or something like that, and y'all will be able to see what the difference is between the box I have, this new box, and the speakers, just the way they look. So if you're new to some audio stuff, know this: it is very easy to install these items if you do it correctly. You can do it incorrectly. Always use the proper stuff. If you get a wire tap and fuse tap, that stuff doesn't work. You're gonna start melting wires, melting remote wires, and, you know, burn down your car. That's just how it's gonna be. That's my true opinion of that. Spend the $100, borrow the $100. I don't care. Get the little adapters for your ignition, so that you don't have to worry about plugging stuff in to your fuse box, straight to the battery. Then again, I'm driving a $750 car. This system retails for probably $1,000 more than that. But as the kit, you get this all for $780. Black Friday, we picked it up for $624, so a really good deal. Anyways, we're gonna show you the box. Naturally, the lighting blows. I don't want to scoot this around too much. Now, let's see. Let's check out these bad boys. Get some light on situation. No, that don't work too good either. Anyway, it's got a huge center port. We can light that up. Oh dang. It's got a little center support. And we're gonna probably do some LED stuff on the edges of this port. It's pretty. The inside of the box is painted, at least on the port, as far as we can see. Nice carpet. So, yeah. And then you got this outside piece, which I guess they could have recessed it just a little bit right there. But initial build quality, very good. These things are pretty meaty. It is a very nice box. Already got dog hair on it, figures. These are very nice looking speakers. I don't know what the travel is on these. And they will pre-wire it to 1 ohm. Okay, right here. So this is the only connection you need to make to your amp, or your radio, or whatever you're using to control everything. Most likely you're going to be using the amp, but who knows. Yeah, pretty cool. The box doesn't seem too crazy big. It is supposed to be tuned to about 32 hertz, so we're going to turn that motherfucker down to run about 30 hertz ish. But hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing. I know the quality of the video probably isn't that great, so hopefully you guys watch it till the end. I didn't really think about what I wanted to do for the unboxing. Oh, and it does come with a little brochure. Tells you what the fuck to do. Anyway, last night the lighting was terrible. This morning the lighting's terrible. Figured the GoPro will be able to help us out with that a little bit, because I did want to upload that in 4K, which is not going to happen now. But I hope you guys enjoyed kind of hearing about what we're going to be doing, and I hope you guys enjoyed checking that stuff out. Again, you're going to get a lot closer look, a lot more technical specs coming up probably this weekend. We're working all the time, so. But only like another month, and then hopefully we won't be working anymore, and we'll just be kind of hanging out at home with the baby, and we'll be able to get a lot more content, a lot more steady content, and then we're moving to Colorado, people. So content there will be insane. Who knows what we'll be doing. car wise. Hopefully we get to go meet the Booster boys and go check out their shop. Maybe build us a Honda or something. I don't know. Maybe Brent will want to tune my VW. I think it'd be pretty sick. But anyways, for now, hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys have an awesome Thanksgiving. And we'll see you in the next one.